Hello everyone and welcome to the Infinite Academy. This is English speaking practice video. Let us learn to use the word please in our sentences. I will speak the sentence first and you will repeat after me. I will be the blue sentence and you will be the pink sentence. Are you ready? Shall we begin now? Please come in. Please sit down. Please wash your hands. Please pass the juice. Please be careful. Please be quiet. Please turn on the light. Please turn off the light. Please clean your room. Please take your book. Please do it now. Please help me. Please don't disturb. Please come here. Please go. Please bring the cup. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.